Hello everyone, welcome to another Alveo Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to be starting a three-part series in chart objects. Those are the little marks you put on your charts and whatnot to help you visualize what's going on with the markets. So let's jump on to the computer right now and let's go over the first section of chart objects. Okay, so as I have just said, the chart objects are the lines that you can place, such as this, onto your chart so that you can understand how things are working. If you are curious where those are found, you can see right up here on any chart, your chart objects are going to be found right here, the drawing tools. These are all the objects that we have available, and we're going to go over each and every one of these and what they are and some possible uses for each of them. So let's head back over to my slide here. Boom. Okay, so first up we have the vertical line. A lot of these are very straightforward, especially the first couple. It is just a vertical line. So this line will span to the topmost view of your chart all the way down to the date and time marker on the chart. And it will also add the exact time of the candle the line is on. So this will give you just a little bit more information. Okay, then there's the horizontal line. It is the opposite of the vertical line, and it is a line that goes all the way across your chart, and it's going to also give you some information down here, right here, that'll tell you where the price point is at. And the price on the side is an aid to calculating take profits and stop losses. Trend lines are very similar to those other lines, except this time they allow you to draw from any 2 points so that you can kind of see where things are going, like this line shows right here. So once you've selected this drawing tool, you will click on the point of the line and drag the cursor to point 2. Then once you release the cursor, the line segment will be drawn on your chart. Okay, next up we have the chart channel. The chart channel is a set width channel that draws two parallel lines based on two selected points. Once a trend has been set, your chart can be resized to fit the boundaries and used for breakout trades from there. Alternatively, you can create your own channel with two trend lines that we just talked about. Okay, so next is Raff Regressions, and they are composed of linear regression, which is a best fit line based off of close prices, and two trend lines. Equal distance from the linear regression, with distance being determined by farthest price from the regression on either side. These lines are commonly extended out to look for breakouts. So you're going to want to draw these on here, like so, and they will help you to be able to see if this is going to cross down here. You can see a breakout, or up here, kind of the same thing. Then we have quadrant lines, and quadrant lines take the highest price and the lowest price over a specified period and divide that price zone into 4 equal areas. These quadrant lines are used to look at areas of highest price movement and to easily visualize the relative size of price fluctuations. Again, just another way you can get a feel for what the market is doing. Okay, now we have the Tyrone levels, and Tyrone levels are similar to quadrant lines, but how they differ is that the center line is the average of the high and the low, with the two other lines being a third of the way from the center line to the high and low. These levels are used to forecast area of high support and resistance. Okay, next we have speed lines, and speed lines are a retracement based Next we have speed lines, and speed lines are a retractment-based support and resistance line. So two candles will be chosen for speed lines, and depending on if the more recent candle is higher or lower, the first candle will define if the high or low of the candles will be chosen. While using speed lines, the original line is your speed line. The next line is your 2/3 speed line, and your third is your 1/3 speed line. The 1/3 is used for breakouts, while the 1/3 or 2/3 can be used for support and resistant lines. Okay, next we have the Gann Fans or Gann Fans, and they are based on the idea that the markets are a geometric and repetitive force. The Gann Fans take a 45-degree angle, either above or below a set price, and use mirrored angles to demonstrate potential support and resistance points. So those charts were part 1 of our chart objects series. We got 2 more coming out in the coming weeks. Be on the lookout for those. They are going to be coming out each Friday. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put those down below. We'll get to them as soon as we can. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already.